Hi everyone, with me today I have this deluxe large pizza set that is amazing. So let's break down exactly what you're going to get. First off, we have this 13-inch pizza stone. Now it is extra thick so it retains heat and absorbs moisture to make your pizzas light and crispy. Now you're also going to get the 18-inch bamboo pizza peel. This thing is amazing and made from 100% organic, eco-friendly bamboo. It has these beveled edges, as you can see right here, making it super easy to get underneath that pizza and scoop it up with a long handle, making sure that you're far away enough that you're not going to burn your hand, and even has a hanging hole if you want to put it up in your kitchen. And lastly, we also have the 14-inch stainless steel pizza cutter. It did come with the protection right here for the blade. You want to be super careful, but it makes cutting pizza a breeze. I absolutely adore this set, and again, they're going to give you general care of how to take care of these items, how to use them correctly, and at the end of it all, you're going to have an amazing pizza. So I definitely think you guys should check this out and get to making pizza from home.